Hi there everybody. Here we have a KWIKSET rim cylinder. I've gutted it and I noticed the key pins, it appears to me the key pins can go in either way. They're not, there's no round head. They appear to be chamfered the same top and bottom of the pin. So I would say it doesn't matter which way the key pin goes in. That's quite handy. Alright, I shall set about putting this back together again and we'll have a go at picking it. So, to be continued. Okay, back again. We've got that KWIKSET back together. Now we shall have a go at picking it. Using a reasonably long hook. Very light tension. Go to the back. I believe that's number 1 and number 2 set. Number 3 might be set and number 4 might be set. We'll just try number 5 here. Okay. Still 1 to go. Actually, that might have been number 4. This, I think, is number 5 now. There it is. I'll tell you what, I reckon that is close to being the best lock I've picked, because I could once I got that pin moving, it would just slowly slide up as I apply pressure to it. That was so smooth. Oh, I'm loving that one. Okay, well, as you can see, she's open. Alright. Got a funny little tailpiece too. I thought it was a ball joint to start with when I looked at it. It looks like a ball joint. Okay, thanks for watching that. Hooray for now.